Welcome to the land down under. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing facts about Australia that you probably didn't know. First, Australia is the only nation on Earth that governs an entire continent all by itself. It's also home to the world's oldest continuous living culture, with Aboriginal history dating back over 65,000 years. Think there are a lot of people? There are actually twice as many kangaroos as there are humans in Australia. With over 10,000 beaches, you could visit a new one every single day for 27 years. Surprise, the Australian Alps actually receive more snowfall than the Swiss Alps during the winter season. Check out Lake Hillier. This stunning lake in Western Australia is naturally a bright, bubblegum pink color all year round. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth and is so big it's visible from outer space. Love a good selfie. The term was actually coined by an Australian in an online forum back in 2002. 90% of the population lives along the coast, leaving the vast interior mostly untouched and wild. Finally, K'gari is the world's largest sand island, where lush rainforests remarkably grow directly out of the sand dunes. Australia is truly one of a kind. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments.